Okay, so welcome all. Today we are going to do a practice sheet, a discussion of questions of metals and non-metals from Lakshmi Singh. Okay, we'll start with very short answer type questions. What is the general name of the elements whose properties are intermediate between those of metals and non-metals?
Metalloids.
Yes, those are known as metalloids. कम करो, आवाज नहीं आ रही है। मनन नहीं आ रही बेटा, अनस्टेबल आ रहा है। Right? Yes. Now, yes, Rashi, tell me, beta. Name one metal and one non-metal which exist in liquid state at room temperature. Yes. ऐसा कौन सा metal है जो liquid state में होता है? Yes, it is mercury. And Manan, what is the name of the non-metal which exists in liquid state? Yes.
Bromine.
Hanji, it's bromine. Very good. Okay. Now, Manan, tell me, name the property which allows metals to be hammered into thin shapes.
Malleability.
Yes, it is malleability. Okay. Next, Rashi, which name the property which enables the metals to be drawn into wires. Yes. Yes, it is ductility.
Bromine.
No, but a ductility. Property. Name the property. Yes. Okay. Okay. The next question is, name two metals which are soft and can be easily cut with a knife. ऐसे कौन से metals होते हैं? Yes, potassium and
Sodium, potassium.
yes, sodium and potassium. Very good. Sodium and potassium. They are very soft. Okay. If a metal coin is dropped on hard floor, it produces a ringing sound. What is this property of metals known as? Yes, इस property को क्या बोलते हैं? Sonorous sonority. Okay. Name the property of iron metal due to which it can be hammered to make objects of different shapes such as axe, spade or shovel. क्या होती है ये प्रॉपर्टी कि आप इसको अलग अलग चीजों में हैमर आउट कर सकते हो? मेलिएबिलिटी.
Malleability तो sheets में hammer.
लेकिन हम इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट्स को कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट शेप्स में. नेम अ नॉन मेटल व्हिच इज वेरी हार्ड.
Diamond.
Diamond. Okay. Name a non metal which is a good conductor of electricity.
Non-metal, graphite.
Yes, it is graphite. राशि, ग्रेफाइट किसका एलोट्रोप होता है? कार्बन.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. State one chemical property which can be used to distinguish a metal from a non-metal. कौन सी ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी है?
Ma'am, when non-metals do not react with oxygen.
No, they react with oxygen. They don't react with water. Yes.
Yes.
Metals, they react with water. ठीक है बेटा, ये हमेशा पानी के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं. whereas जो नॉन मेटल्स होते हैं ना, they do not react with metals. ठीक है, तो ये एक ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी है, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी, जिससे आप मेटल्स और नॉन मेटल्स से डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हो. राइट. नेक्स्ट, हाउ डू मेटल ऑक्साइड्स डिफर फ्रॉम नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड्स?
Metal oxides are basic in nature and non-metal oxides are acidic in nature.
यस. सो मेटल ऑक्साइड्स क्या होते हैं बेटा? बेसिक. बेसिक इन नेचर. whereas जो नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड्स होते हैं बेटा, वो कैसा नेचर होता है उनका? एसिडिक. नेक्स्ट, राशि, अब आप बताओ. एन एलिमेंट फॉर्म्स एन ऑक्साइड विच इज एसिडिक इन नेचर. ठीक है, जो एक एलिमेंट है वो ऑक्साइड बना रहा है, वो एसिडिक है, तो क्या वो एलिमेंट मेटल है या नॉन मेटल है?
Non-metal.
Yes, it is non-metal. Very good.
Non-metal.
Next, Manan, you be ready. I am just dictating the answer. An element forms an oxide.
Metal.
Okay. An element forms an oxide which is basic in nature. You have to tell whether it is metal or non-metal. Manan has already told me that it is, ma'am, metal in nature. Okay, it is a metal. Write a word equation for the reaction of magnesium with oxygen.
Ma'am, metals react with oxygen, the air to produce metal oxide. For example, Mg plus O2 is equal to MgO.
Yes, magnesium plus oxygen will give me magnesium oxide. We just have to give the word equation. Okay. Now tell, iron metal slowly reacts with oxygen and moisture of damp air. Okay? And what happens is it forms rust. State whether the rust formed is acidic, basic or neutral.
Iron is a metal.
And
It
basic.
reacts with oxygen to form rust. Rust is chemically known as iron oxide. Since rust is a metal oxide, it is basic in nature.
Yes, yes, Manan, good. Because iron जो है वो एक metal है. Yes, iron it is a metal and इसका जो oxide बनेगा obviously वो क्या बनेगा, basic in nature. So rust जो है हमारा क्या होगा, basic. Okay. Now name the gas
Yes,
evolved.
ma'am.
Yes, Manan.
damp air क्यों लिखा इसमें?
Moisture of damp air. Damp air मतलब which is full of moisture, humid.
Okay.
Metals.
Yes, name the gas evolved when a metal reacts with water.
Metals react with water to produce hydrogen gas. For
Yes.
example, sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas.
Okay. Name the gas evolved when a metal reacts with a dilute acid.
Metals react with dilute acids to form metallic salt and hydrogen gas. For
Yes.
example, zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas.
Okay.
दोनों में hydrogen evolve.
Yes. Next is, just tell me, name one metal which reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen gas.
Sodium reacts with
Yes.
dilute hydrochloric acid because it is
Numbers
above
of
hydrogen in the reactivity.
आप कोई भी जो भी whatever element metal is present above hydrogen वो HCl के साथ react करेगा ही करेगा.
Ma'am, iron.
Yes. ठीक है. Name one metal which does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid.
Ma'am, copper.
Copper. Yes, very good. Copper. अब आपने मुझे बताना है which one is more reactive, iron or zinc?
Ma'am, zinc.
एक सेकेंड. Yes, it is zinc. Then,
Iron.
which metal is less reactive? Copper or iron?
Copper.
Yes, इसमें less reactive पूछा है तो it is copper. Because copper जो है वो reactivity series में क्या है? It's quite down. Name, yes. Name 5 objects used in our daily life which are made up of metals.
Ma'am, bottles.
Yes.
Utensils, jewelry, electric wires, mercury and table salt.
Yes. तो हम लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पे so that ये आपके पास आ जाए. So first of all we will write utensils. Yes.
Which are made up of copper, aluminium and iron.
Yes. Jewelry.
Jewelry made from gold and silver.
Yes. Electric
Copper.
wires. Yes. और
Ma'am, bottle. Yes. Cars हमारे जो भी हैं. Scooters. और vehicles. Yes, oblique vehicles कर देते हैं. और tools. Yes, tools. Okay. Name 2 metals which are used for making cooking utensils and water boilers for
Copper
factories.
and aluminium.
Ma'am, iron.
Iron? Yes. So copper, aluminium, iron. आप कोई भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay. Name 2 metals which are used for making electric wires.
Copper and aluminium.
And silver.
Silver. Aluminium नहीं लिखेंगे. Name the silver बेटा हम इसलिए यूज नहीं करते because एक तो एक्सपेंसिव बहुत पड़ जाता है. दूसरा ये क्या बोलते हैं, चोरी होने का डर बना रहता है, सो वो अनसेफ हो जाता है. नेम द मेटल विच इज यूज्ड इन मेकिंग थर्मोमीटर्स.
Mercury is used for making thermometers. It is a liquid at room temperature
No.
and is a very good conductor of heat. Even a slightest change in temperature can be noted by using mercury.
Yes. Which metal is used to galvanize iron to protect it from rusting?
Ma'am, zinc is used to galvanize iron to protect it from rusting. In this process, a thin layer of zinc is coated on the surface of iron. Zinc.
Yes, Rashi? Okay. Now the next question. Name the metal. Okay, beta. Name the metal which is used to make thin foils for packaging medicines, chocolates, and food items, etc. It is aluminium. Very good. Okay. Next is name two metals which are used to make jewelry.
Gold, silver.
Yes, it is gold and silver. The most frequent are this. Otherwise, तो आपके बहुत सारे हैं, right?
Platinum.
Yes. क्या आप इसमें डायमंड लिख सकते हो?
No मैम, वो नॉन मेटल है.
Yes. तो ये आपने डायमंड नहीं लिख के आना. Okay. Where is iron present in our body? Iron कहाँ होता है?
Blood.
Yes, it is present in RBCs. ठीक है? It is found in RBCs.
हमें चाहिए क्या होता है हमारा?
Iron is used for making hemoglobin. Right? RBC of our blood. Okay. Now tell me, name the non-metal which is essential for maintaining life and inhaled during breathing. ऐसा कौन सा है जो आपको ब्रीदिंग के लिए चाहिए होता है?
मैम ऑक्सीजन.
ऑक्सीजन. यस, वेरी गुड. हाँ जी, बिल्कुल ठीक है. नेम वन नॉन मेटल यूज फॉर मेकिंग फर्टिलाइजर्स. यस मनन. नो. ठीक है. नहीं, फॉस्फोरस भी ठीक है, बट इट्स यूजुअली हम नाइट्रोजन यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. ओके. विच नॉन मेटल इज यूज्ड इन वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन? क्लोरीन. यस, क्लोरीन जो है इट इज यूज्ड फॉर वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन.
इसको हम उसमें भी यूज करते हैं ना, फूड.
Yes. Name the non-metal used to make purple colored solution which is applied on cuts and wounds as an antiseptic.
Iodine.
Yes, very good. It is iodine. Name two non-metals which are used in fireworks.
Graphite or
Magnesium. Magnesium and sodium is not non-metal. It is metal. Oh, magnesium bhi to nahi hai. Sorry. It is phosphorus and nitrogen.
nitrogen.
Yes. Next, which non-metal is used as a fuel?
Carbon.
Carbon. Okay. Next, you have to just tell me true and false. Okay. One by one. One answer is to be given by Manan and then Rashi. Okay, beta? Chalo. All metals exist in solid form at room temperature. Manan?
True. False.
False. Okay. Coal can be drawn into wires. Rashi?
Ma'am, false.
False.
Because coal is made up of carbon and carbon is a non-metal.
Yes. Non-metals react with dilute. एक सेकेंड राशि, एक मिनट बेटा. So, हाँ जी, non-metals react with dilute acids to produce hydrogen gas. Non-metals जब dilute acid के साथ react करते हैं तो क्या वो hydrogen gas बनाते हैं? Yes, it is false. Rashi, now it's your turn. Sodium is a very reactive metal.
True, ma'am.
Yes. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solution. Manan, copper displaces.
False,
yes, false. Rashi, why false?
Ma'am, copper, because copper is less reactive than zinc, it is placed below zinc in the reactivity series
Yes.
of metals, and copper cannot displace zinc from zinc sulfate solution.
So rust formed on iron objects is basic in nature.
Yes, ma'am.
Non-metals react with water to form a gas which burns with a pop sound.
Hydrogen.
नहीं, non-metals react with water.
False.
False, ma'am.
False. क्योंकि non-metals
react नहीं करते.
Yes, non-metals जो है वो तो react ही नहीं करते, तो हाइड्रोजन गैस को क्या रिलीज करेंगे, right? चलो अब नेक्स्ट हम करते हैं fill in the blanks. Okay, so yes, now first turn is Rashi. आपकी है. Metals are dash conductors of heat and dash.
Ma'am, good.
Metals
Good
are
and
good.
electricity.
Yes, yes. Good conductors of heat and electricity. Yes, Manan. Most non-metals are dash conductors of heat and electricity.
Bad.
Bad. Yes. Rashi. Phosphorus is a very dash non-metal.
Ma'am, poor.
Poor बोले तो?
Ma'am, reactive.
Reactive. It is very reactive. Yes, हम इसको पानी में रखते हैं क्योंकि पानी के साथ नहीं कर react non-metal, लेकिन वैसे ये बहुत reactive होता है. Metals react with acids to produce dash gas.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Iron is more than copper.
Ma'am, reactive.
Reactive.
Reactive. Yes, very good. Rashi, now you tell. Metals form dash oxides, whereas non-metals form dash oxides.
Ma'am, metals form basic oxide and
Yes. And non-metals
non-metals
form
non-metal form
acidic.
acidic.
Manan, next your turn. Sulfur forms dash oxide.
Sulfur.
Yes.
Basic.
Sulfur
Sorry,
is
ma'am, acidic.
acidic.
Or magnesium basic.
Yes. Sulfur is a non-metal, therefore it will form an acidic oxide, whereas magnesium is a metal, so it will form a basic oxide. Okay, a non-metal used to make an antiseptic solution called tincture of
Iodine.
iodine. Yes, very good, Rashi. Okay, now you have short answer type questions. Manan, you tell me, state two physical properties on the basis of which metals can be distinguished from non-metals.
Ma'am, metals are very very shiny and
Yes, are
lustrous.
lustrous.
Ma'am, they are very hard. Metals are very
And they are malleable and ductile. Okay. Rashi, now it's your turn, beta. Name the gas produced when an aluminium foil reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid.
Hanji, ma'am.
When name the gas produced when aluminium foil reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid.
Ma'am, hydrogen.
Yes, hydrogen gas.
When aluminium foil reacts with sodium hydroxide, sodium aluminate is formed. Metals react with dilute acids to form
Yes.
metallic salts and hydrogen gas. For example, sodium foil reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce aluminium chloride
Okay.
and hydrogen gas. The balance equation
Okay.
S plus 6HCl 2 plus 2AiCi3 plus H2 plus 3H2.
Okay. Can you tell me the gas produced when aluminium foil reacts with sodium hydroxide solution?
Aluminium is a metal. It reacts with both acid and bases. The reaction is highly exothermic and produces a lot of heat. There is a rapid evolution of hydrogen gas.
Okay, which gas is produced? राशि एक सेकेंड रुकोगे बेटा?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, name the gas produced when aluminium foil reacts with sodium hydroxide solution.
Ma'am, aluminium is a metal. It reacts with both acids and bases. The reaction is is highly exothermic and produces a lot of heat. There is rapid evolution of hydrogen gas during this reaction.
Yes. Okay, Manan, you tell me, state any two physical properties for believing that aluminium is a metal.
Aluminium is malleable and ductile. Aluminium is very lustrous.
Yes, malleable है क्योंकि हमें मालूम है we are able to see in our kitchen that aluminum foils.
It is a good conductor of heat.
Yes, it is a, yes, very good. So एक हमारा हो गया कि malleable है, shiny है, और एक हम लिख सकते हैं yes, it's a good conductor of heat and electricity. तो इससे हम कह सकते हैं yes, you have to believe that aluminum is a metal. Okay, good conductor of heat and electricity, right? Okay, next. Compare the properties of metals and non-metals. Okay. With respect to malleability, ductility and conduction of heat and electricity. तो एक मिनट रुकना, एक सेकेंड बेटा, मैं यहाँ पे एक मिनट टेबल बना लेती हूँ. It is metals, then you have to tell over here non-metals. Okay, okay. The first property is, यहाँ पे मैं लिख लेती हूँ बेटा पहले. Yes, it is malleability. Yes.
Then
So the properties
रुको
of
रुको
metals
रुको
which
रुको रुको.
allow metals.
Rashi, wait beta. I'll just write the options. Then I'll ask one by one. Right? Then you have conduction of heat and electricity. Okay. Okay. Now Rashi, you tell me malleability point. With respect to malleability, what do you think? What is the difference between metals and non-metals?
The property of metal which allows metals to be hammered into thin sheets is known as is called malleability.
Yes.
Due
So
to this unique property, metals can be flattened into thin sheets by hammering or rolling.
yes, and non-metals don't exhibit this property.
Yes.
Okay. Manan, next, ductility.
metals are ductile while non-metals are non-ductile.
Yes. They are ductile and non-metals, they are non-ductile. Rashi, next point beta. Conduction of heat and electricity. Yes.
Metals have free electrons which makes them good conductors of heat, and electrons do not have free electrons, hence they are not non-conductors. They are non-conductors of electricity.
Yes. The non-metals, they are integral. Okay. Still, okay, now it's your turn. Give reason why copper metal is used for making electric wires. Yes. हम उससे इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स क्यों बनाते हैं?
Copper metal is cheaper than
Yes.
silver, while it is also a good conductor of electricity.
Yes. And it has a property of ductility. Yes. Tell me, graphite is used for making. Yes.
Graphite is made of balanced electrons are free to move. As a result, graphite is able to conduct electricity, which is useful for making pencil.
Lots of liquids are made of metallic substances. Okay. Malleability and ductility. Yes.
Metal to be hammered into thin is called malleability.
Yes.
Due this unique property, metals can be flattened into thin sheets by rolling. Ductility them to be drawn into wires.
Yes.
Metals can be stretched out and drawn into thin wires.
What is meant by metals are ductile or sonorous?
Property of metal to be hammered into thin sheets known as malleability. This unique property, metal can be flattened into thin sheets by hammering and rolling.
Yes.
For example,
Malleable मतलब आप उनको thin sheets में convert कर सकते हो, right? Ductile मतलब yes. You can draw them into.
They are shiny.
Okay, shiny. And
metals have a quality of like as a result, metals are lustrous in nature. Metals adapt to their lustrous and rarity. Hence, metals like gold and silver are usually these metals do not react with air. Ma'am, I don't know this one.
So Manan, what are scrap metals? They produce ringing sound
when they are struck.
yes ringing sound when okay
Oh, actually produce करेंगे.
but ringing sound नहीं आएगी ना जैसे पहले स्कूल्स में क्या होता था घंटी लगी होती थी टन 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 वो के पास की पहचान हुआ करती थी छुट्टी हो गई अब इतनी टन बजी है ऑफ हो गया या लंच टाइम हो गया या पीरियड चेंज हो गया ठीक है ओके then there are two boxes one is made of metal and the other is made of wood and they have this similar appearance so how will you find out that which metal is a sorry which box is made up of metal
मैम उसकी हार्डनेस हम देख सकते हैं.
yes then
जो वुड होएगा
Ma'am, by
मैम वुड होएगी
striking
वो
with
लस्टर्स
surface.
नहीं होएगी मैम मेटल से लस्टर होते हैं.
yes जो मेटल है मेटल बॉक्स होगा वो एक तो शाइन लस्टरस होगा यस राशि आप क्या पॉइंट बोल रहे हो
Ma'am, striking the
यस
surface of the
सोनोरिटी
box.
नहीं होगी वुडन वाले में मेटल बॉक्स के पास होगी और एक स्मूथ अपीयरेंस होगी राइट ओके अब ये मेटल्स हैं ये कुछ एलिमेंट्स दिए गए हैं आपको कॉपर सल्फर फास्फोरस कार्बन गोल्ड सिल्वर अब आप बताओ इनमें से कौन से मेलिएबल और डक्टाइल हैं yes
Copper,
gold,
gold, and
silver,
silver
phosphorus,
are malleable and
sulfur,
ductile because
copper.
they are metals. The property of metal which allow metal to be hammered into
okay
thin sheet is known malleability. The
hmm.
property of metal which
Ma'am,
enables them to drawn into wires is called ductility. Due to this property, metals can be stretched without breaking and drawn into thin wires. All of these metals can be used to make wires and sheets. Sulfur, phosphorus, and carbon are brittle. These are non-metals and cannot be rolled into wires or drawn into sheets.
हाँ जी तो ये आपके क्या हो गए ब्रिटल हो क्योंकि these three are your yes नॉन मेटल्स तो ये क्या है आपके ब्रिटल ओके ये जो होंगे these will be exhibited by the metals only this property whereas brittleness is exhibited by non metals okay now Manan next is your turn can you hold a hot metallic pan which is without a plastic or wooden handle give reason
No,
for your
ma'am.
answer
Ma'am, because metals are good conductor of heat and electricity, so without a wooden handle or plastic handle, we cannot hold the utensil because it would be very hot.
yes so अगर हमारे पास वो प्लास्टिक ये होगा ये जो चीज है दिस एक्ट्स एज अ पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट ठीक है तो आपके हाथ तक हीट जो है वो पहुंचती नहीं है when you have hot metallic pan आप उसको होल्ड कर रहे हो अगर वो जो जिससे आपने होल्ड करना है वो भी मेटल का बना होगा तो वो भी गर्म हो जाएगा सो इसीलिए उसको प्लास्टिक या वुडन हैंडल से बनाया जाता है सो दैट वो हीट को कंडक्ट ना करे और गर्म ना हो एंड यू कैन लिफ्ट दैट ऑब्जेक्ट वेरी इजीली yes Rashi now you tell the screwdriver used by an electrician has a plastic or wooden handle
Ma'am, a screwdriver is made up of metal and which is a good conductor of electricity. In order to prevent electric shocks by the screwdriver, its handle is made up of wood. Wood is a poor conductor of electricity, which protects from electric shocks and makes the screwdriver safe from electric shocks.
hmm. yes. तो क्या होगा अगर हम उससे बना रहे हैं तो उससे क्या होगा कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है वो कंडक्ट होकर it will not go in the hands of the electrician who is dealing with that and उसको शॉक जो है वो नहीं लगेगा right okay what is the nature of the following oxides पहला है मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड इसका क्या नेचर होगा मनन
And
basic yes and sulfur dioxide का
acidic.
और रीजन क्या दोगे आप
And when metals react with oxides, they produce basic oxide. And
Yes. And what about the non-metals? They produce acidic. अब next question यही पूछा गया है, what type of oxides are formed when metals combine with oxygen?
Metals react with oxygen to form metallic oxides. These metallic oxides are basic because they react with water to form bases. For example, magnesium is a metal and
Yes.
magnesium oxide is basic in nature.
Yes. And what type of oxides are formed when non-metals react with oxygen? Manan?
Acidic.
Acidic. ठीक है. ओके. अब मुझे आपने राशि, आप क्वेश्चन 49 आपको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me what are the things? Element A is soft, brittle, and doesn't conduct electricity. Element B is malleable and ductile, conducts electricity. So which of the elements A or B is a non-metal?
The metal is metal nature.
Okay. How can you say that?
Same properties of non-metal.
Yes. Element A has got the same characteristics of non-metal. ठीक है? Okay. अच्छा बेटा, अब 4 एलिमेंट्स दिए गए हैं. मैंने जस्ट सोडियम, सल्फर, कार्बन, मैग्नीशियम. ठीक है? Okay. So which of these form acidic? Yes, basic.
Sodium and
Yes. Okay. Next. What happens when a copper vessel is refined?
copper vessel is exposed to moisture. It is a green layer on the surface. Copper oxidation it reacts with copper oxide. Then CO plus CO plus O2 to reach in the bracket OH
Yes.
plus CO.
ठीक है बेटा? Okay. When a copper object is exposed to moist air for a long time, then a green coating is formed on its surface. What is the material of the green coating? Yes, Manan. क्या होता है material? बेसिक मटेरियल होता क्या है वो? कॉपर ऑक्साइड और
Ma'am, copper hydroxide and copper carbonate.
yes, very good. It is copper hydroxide.
And copper carbonate.
Yes, and copper carbonate.
Carbonate.
ठीक है जी. तो ये क्या होता है? एसिडिक होता है, बेसिक होता है?
Ma'am, basic.
बेसिक, क्योंकि जो कॉपर है इट इज अ मेटल, सो व्हेन इट विल फॉर्म एन एसिड ऑक्साइड, तो ये बेसिक ऑक्साइड बनाएगा. ओके. नाउ सोडियम मेटल रिएक्ट्स vigorously with water. Name the gas evolved when sodium reacts with water. Yes. Hydrogen.
Green coating will be basic in nature. Green coating is made up of copper oxide and copper oxide, which is oxide in nature, oxide of metal. Metals react with oxygen to form metallic oxide. The metallic oxides are basic because they react with water to form bases.
Okay. अच्छा ये बताओ, state whether the solution formed by the reaction of sodium with water is basic or acidic? It is basic.
Basic.
Yes. क्योंकि OH बन जाता है ना. Okay. How do metals react with dilute acids? Metals plus dilute acid gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Zinc granules. Okay. Now tell me, what is the strip of zinc placed? Zinc or
Zinc will replace copper is more reactive than
yes, so zinc is more active. उसके salt से it will form zinc sulfate. Okay. So it can be written as C plus C. Yes. Okay.
to the right of
Yes, I know. I have just shown you the. Can copper displace iron solution?
yes,
No, copper can displace iron.
copper is not
Yes, copper is
iron.
less reactive than iron. Copper is very less reactive than iron. ये वो displace नहीं कर सकता. आप बताएं इस चीज को कि as copper is okay. Name one metal which can
Placed above iron,
yes.
reactive series of metals and create iron or
Name one metal which cannot displace. It will be copper. Next, no. Yes. Yes, aluminium will react with the acid present in lemon. Okay, so that will deteriorate the pickle as well as the utensil. Yes. Why should the foodstuffs local chutneys
Because
curd?
the acid
Yes.
will be bottom.
Yes. The reasons why sodium and chlorine, because they both are very reactive.
And they also react.
In the water, we prefer kerosene oil. अबे बेटा carbon ये आपको पता है yes yes is more reactive than copper. Zinc जो है it is more stable as compared to copper, and copper is placed well below in the activity series, therefore it is not able to displace zinc from its salt solution. Okay, so we finish up today's allotted questions. Okay, we have done 60 questions of metals and non-metals. Okay, and we'll continue in the next class also.